In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for issues, bugs, and tickets in your Jira project history. If you're using Jira for managing your projects, it's essential to understand how to effectively navigate through your project history to track changes, monitor progress, and resolve any issues that may arise. We'll go through a straightforward process to help you find the information you need. To begin, navigate to your Jira homepage. This is your starting point where you'll have access to all your projects and dashboards. Once you're there, look to the left side of the screen and find the Projects tab. This is where all your projects are listed. Click on the Projects tab and then select the specific project you want to explore by simply clicking on its name. This will take you into the project's main workspace. Now that you're inside the project, the next step is to click on the Issues tab. This is usually located in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Clicking on Issues will open up a list of all the issues, bugs, and tickets associated with your project. It's a comprehensive list, so you can choose to filter or search to find the specific issue you're interested in. Once you've found the issue you want more details about, click on it to open up the Issue Details page. This page provides all the information related to that particular ticket, including the description, assignee, priority, and status. The goal here is to dive deeper into the history of this issue to understand how it has evolved over time. Next, look for the activity section on this page. It might appear as a tab, a button, or a panel depending on how your Jira interface is configured. The activity section is your window into the changes and updates that have been applied to the issue. This could include changes in status, updates from team members, or modifications made to the details of the issue. Within the activity section, you should see an option for history. Click on History to expand it. This will provide a detailed timeline of all the changes made to the issue from its creation to the present. You can see who made each change when they made it, and what specifically was altered. This historical view is invaluable for understanding the progression and management of your issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently search and view the history of issues, bugs, and tickets within your Jira projects. This can greatly enhance your ability to analyze project trends, address problem areas, and streamline your workflow. I hope this guide proves helpful in your project management efforts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our content for additional tips and tutorials.